Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Maths paper 2-3 October-November 2018. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics paper 2 extended 0580-23 October-November 2018. Question number 1. Work out 7 by 11 of 198 kg. So 7 over 11 of 198 will be equal to, we will use calculator for this, and 7 over 11 of 198, this will be equal to 126. So our answer will be 126. Question number 2, factorize. So we'll have to check what is common. Y is common in both, so we can take y out. So this will be 1 minus 2y. This will be our answer. Y into 1 minus 2y. Question number 3, work out $1.45 as a percentage of this one. So 1.45 over this 72.50 into 100 for percentage, and the calculation will be resulting to 1.45 over 72.50 and multiplication 100, this will be equal to 2. So our answer will be 2%. Question number 4, calculation, we'll have to calculate this basically 5.39 and minus 0.98 and divided by 0.743 minus 0.0743. So this will be equal to 6.59. 6.59. Work out this one. So for this one, question number 5, this will be taking fraction. 125 will have to take bracket as well. 125 and 27, and this whole will be raised to the power minus 2 over 3, and this will be equal to 9 over 25 or 0.36. I'll write 9 over 25. This is 1 mark question. These are all like 1 mark questions, so they directly need the answer. No working is required for this one, so you can use calculator for this and get 9 by 25. Question number 6, write the number 5 million. So 5 million, then next is 200. So million we will complete like this one, and 207. So 5 million will be having 6 numbers over here. So 6 numbers, then this one. Okay, write this in standard form. Standard form will have to shift this 0 after first non-zero number. So 8.13. 8.13 into 10 raised to the power, how many jumps we have taken? 1, 2, 3 jumps. So 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now question number 7, simplify. This is 2p which is plus and 5p which is minus. So net we can arrange them, 2p minus 5p and minus q minus 3q. We have just changed their arrangement, and then we can simplify. This will be minus 3p and this will be minus 4q. This will be our answer, minus 3p minus 4q. Question number 8, write these numbers correct to 2 significant figures. So 2 significant, these are non-significant, 7 and 6 is significant. So we will write 0.076. This will be our answer. Next, 2 significant figures, this one and this one, because if we include 1, it will be 3 significant figures. So we will write 1, 0 and 0, 0, 0 will be answer. Without using calculate, work out this. So this will be 1 by 4, and we'll change division into multiplication, and the reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2, like that, and this will be 3 into 1 will be 3, and 4 2s are 8, so 3 by 8 will be our answer. 3 by 8 we have written over here at the proper answer place. Then solve this equation is given, we have to find the value of w. So 3w is equal to 32 plus 7, we have shifted minus 7 to this side, so this will be equal to 39. So w will be equal to 39 divided by 3, which is equal to 13. So this will be 13. Then next question number 11. Rearrange this formula to make basically L we have to make subject. So we'll shift first this pi r squared to the other side. So a minus pi r squared will be equal to pi r L, and this pi r now we are shifting to this side as denominator. So a minus pi r square and divided by pi r, this will be equal to L, and our answer will be here, a minus pi r squared over pi r. This will be our answer. Next, question number 12. The area of a square is 42.5 centimeter square. Correct to the nearest 0.5 centimeter square. Calculate the lower bound of the length of the side of the square. So basically half of this will be 0.25. So we will for lower bound we will subtract 0.25 and we will get 42. Basically this is the given number, and we can subtract 0.25. So this will be, if we subtract 42.5 minus 0.25, this will be equal to 42.25. This will be the lower bound of this area, and we need the side will be under root of this one, under root of 42.25. This will be equal to side. So this is we can take under root of this, root of answer will be equal to 6.5. So 6.5 will be one side. Question number 13, change the recurring decimal, this one, into fraction. So x, we can write x is equal to 0.188. I'll write recurring over here. Then we can shift this decimal after 1 and 8. So this will be 100. We will multiply both sides by 100. 100x will be equal to 18.88 recurring. Now we can multiply this by 10, and 10x will be equal to what? 1.88 recurring. And now we can subtract, this will be minus, this will be minus. So 100 minus 10 will be 90x. 90x will be equal to, this recurring portion will cancel, and 18 minus 1 will be 17, and we can write 90x is equal to 17. Divide both sides by 90. So this will be cancelled. X will be equal to 17 over 90, and this will be our answer, 17 over 90. Now this one, they are saying describe fully. Question number 14. Describe fully the single transformation represented by the matrix this. Originally 1 0 and 0 1. This is the original matrix. This one 1 0 0 1. When we are switching this, it means this is reflection about y is equal to x. So we will write here answer. This is 2 marks question. We'll have to write reflection also, and y is equal to x also. So we write reflection y is equal to x. So this will be our answer. Question number 15. A car travels at 108 km per hour for 20 seconds. Calculate the distance the car travels give your answer in meters. So speed, we know speed is equal to distance over time, and distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, and speed is given 108, but it is in kilometers. We need in meters, so we will multiply this by 1000 to change into meters, and multiply by time, which is 20, but 20 is seconds. We'll have to change into hours. So first divided by 60 will be minutes, and then divided by 60 will be hours. Just you'll have to simplify this. So 108 and fraction, and 108 will be multiplied by 1000, then multiply by 20 and divided by 60 into 60. This will be equal to 600. So our answer will be 600 meters. This we have to simplify, so we can write this as w raised by 2 minus 3, which is equal to w raised by minus 1, or we can write this is equal to 1 over w, so our answer will be 1 over w. This simplify, this is cube of this, so separately we can write 3 cube and w raised by cube 3 into 3. So this will be 9, 3 are 3 cube will be 27. So 3 cube we can 3 cube will be equal to 27. So 27 w raised by 3 into 3 will be 9. So our answer will be 27 w raised to the power 9. Question number 17. Y is directly proportional to square root of x. So y is directly proportional to square root of x. This is the mathematical equation which we can write. Then it means y is equal to k under root x, and these two values are given when y is equal to 6 and k and x will be equal to 9. So this k will be equal to 6 over 9 under root, which is equal to 6 over 3, which is 2. So value of k is 2. So we can replace value of k as 2. So our equation will be y. This equation y will be equal to 2. K, value of k is 2. 2 under root x. And they are saying find y when x is equal to 25. So we'll replace here 25 under root y, so this will be 5 under root 25 is 5, 5 into 2 will be 10, so y is equal to 10. Question number 18. This is algebraic expression. We'll have to algebraic basically fraction, which we have to write in as a single fraction. So what we can do, we can take LCM of this one. LCM will be this into this, x into x plus 1. Now we can write this sign first in the middle, and this into this will be x plus 1 in brackets, and this into this will be x. So this will be our combined expression. This will be opening bracket x plus 1 minus x divided by x into x plus 1. So these two will be cancelled, and answer will be 1 over x into x plus 1, and we can copy over here 1 over x into x plus 1. Now question number 19. The diagram is given which is not to scale. Angle is 72. This is a sector given. Radius is 6, and the perimeter of the sector is given this one. Find the value of p and q. Perimeter we can calculate, like for example this side is 6, this side will also be 6 centimeter because this is also radius. Now we have to apply length formula to calculate this length. This is like for example L. So L will be equal to what? L by formula is equal to theta over 360, theta over 360 into 2 pi r. So we can replace theta is equal to 72, 360 and multiply by 2 into pi into r will be 6. So multiply by 6. This will be equal to what? This will be 72 divided by 360 into multiply by 2 multiply by pi. Okay, so 72 divided by 360 and multiply by 2, multiply by pi, multiply by 6. This will be equal to 7.53, or we can write this one as 12 over 5 pi. 12 over 5 pi. So in terms of pi we have written this. This is the length, this side. Now we'll be adding 6 plus 6 in this one. So total perimeter will be equal to 6 plus 6 plus this one, 12 by 5 pi. And hopefully you are understanding each and everything. So this one will be this plus 6 plus 6, which is 12. So plus 12 will be equal to 19 point this one, 19.53. Or even we can, what we can do, instead of solving this one, we have to compare this with this perimeter with this one. So this will, we can write it as 12, 6 plus 6 will be 12, and plus 12 by 5, 12 divided by 5, we can write it as 2.4. So we can write 2.4 pi. Now we can compare this. P is 12, so we can write P12, P is equal to 12, and Q is equal to 2.4, so we can write 2.4. One more thing, this is P we have taken as perimeter, so we can write it as perimeter so that it should not confuse with this P value. So I will write here perimeter so that it should not be confusing. Now this is done. Next, question number 20. Solve the equation, this one, show all your working and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So this one we have to solve this. So I'll tell you the easier way to solve this one. I don't know you learned already this one or not. I will be explaining this method thoroughly for factorization by using calculator. Mode 5 3. You will reach here. Then a value of a will be 3. So 3 is equal to this one, and then b will be minus 2, minus 2. Then again c is minus 2, so this minus 2 equal to this one. We have given all values. Now we'll press this. This will be x1 is equal to this, which we can take as decimal. This is 1.225, and the second value will be minus 0.255. So what we can do, this is the answer which directly you can check with the calculator also, and you can solve by quadratic formula. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 2. So I'll be applying quadratic formula so that you can show your working also. Minus b, which is minus 2, and plus minus b square, which is minus 2 square, minus 4, a is 3 and c is minus 2, and this one, and you can divide by 2a, which is 2 into 3. So these are the values which we have solved with the calculator, and to confirm that your answer is correct, because this is a 4-mark question, you will have to show your complete working. So what we will do, we'll go back to mode 1 and we will be writing this one. This will be minus into minus 2 in brackets, and then plus I'll be doing first, then I'll do the negative also. So under root minus 2 and square minus 4, a will be 3 and c will be minus 2, this one, and divided by 2 into 3 will be 6, so I'll write here 6. This will be the same value, which is 1.2 2 decimal places, so 1.22, and if we change this minus this minus, so this will be giving us answer as minus 0.55, minus 0.5. This is 548, so we can write 55 because we have to give 2 decimal places. Question number 21. This is speed time graph. The diagram shows the speed time graph for the first t seconds of the car journey. Find the acceleration during the first 10 seconds. So first 10 seconds will be this portion. So I'm shading for you so that you can understand. This is the portion for first 10 seconds and this is the triangle, and we have to find the gradient of this one. Gradient will be rise over run. Rise is 12. So 12 divided by 10, 12 divided by 10 will be equal to 1.2. So our answer will be 1.2. The total distance traveled during the t seconds is 480. So total distance traveled is 480. Find the value of t. This t we have to find. So we can find area of this one, like area of this triangle we can find, or everything is given because t is not involved in this triangle. So we can find 1 by 2. We know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, b into h, 10 into 12. So this will be area of the triangle, which is equal to 120 divided by 2 will be 60. We can write here area of triangle will be equal to this one, and this is area of triangle. Remaining will be what? Remaining will be 4, total is 480. So out of 480 minus 6 will be equal to 420. So 420 is area of this rectangle. This side is 12. So 12, this side is 12, height is 12. We need to find this side. So we will divide 420 by 12. 420 divided by 12 will be what? This will be equal to 420 divided by 12 will be equal to 35. So answer to this one will be equal to 35. So it means that 35 is this distance from here to this one is 35, and this side is 12. 12 multiplied by 35. So 12 multiplied by 35 will be equal to 420. 12 multiplied by 35. This is area of this section, right? So this side is 12. So this will be equal to 420. Now what we will do, this is 35, so we will add this because we need this t location. T will be equal to what? 10 plus 35. 10 is this one and 35 is this one. So total will be equal to 45. Our answer will be 45, and we will write here t is equal to 45. Next, question number 8, it is saying simplify. We'll have to simplify this, and to simplify this we have to factorize the numerator and denominator both. So what we can do, we can write numerator as 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 divided by this one. We can take x common and inside will be 2x plus 1. This will be, now these two pairs, from these two, this pair and this pair. So from first pair we can take 2x common and inside will be x minus 1 and plus 1 common and x minus 1 over this will be x into 2x plus 1. Hopefully you are getting this. Now this one we can write it as x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 over x into 2x plus 1. These two will be cancelled. The answer will be x minus 1 over x. So we can write x minus 1 over x. Now this one, question number 23, diagram is provided, which is a three-dimensional diagram and it is not to scale. Now the diagram shows a triangular prism. This is triangular prism. AB is given as 12, then BC is given as 6, PC is given as 4. Angle BCP is 90 degree. BCP, this angle is 90 degree, and the angle QDC is also 90 degree. Calculate the angle between AP, this line, and the rectangular base. Rectangular base is this one. So what we will do, we will have to draw a line. So we'll be drawing this line with A and C, will be joining A and C. So we can join this A and C, and they are asking us to calculate the angle between AP, between this line and this line. So basically angle required is this one, and the triangle which we will be considering will be this whole triangle. So I will shade this triangle. Hopefully you are understanding the explanation, and you can subscribe the channel if you have not yet done, and also press bell icon button so that you will be getting intimation for the new videos, and also share link with your friends. Okay, so now this is the triangle APC. I have shaded this triangle for you so that you can clearly understand which angle is required. In this triangle, to find this angle, we have one side and other two sides we don't have. We have to find one of these two sides. So we can find this side, and this one is right angle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. These two sides we have, and this is the hypotenuse, so this will be 12 square. We can write AC is equal to 12 square plus 6 square. 12 square plus 6 square under root, and this will be equal to root of 12 square plus 6 square. This will be equal to 13.4164, and this is this value we have calculated, 13.4164. now we have opposite to this angle will be this one, which is 4 over adjacent, which is equal to tan. So tan of this angle, which is angle PAC, tan of angle PAC will be equal to 4. I will write PC over AC, which is equal to 4 over 12, which we can write as 1 over 3. Basically this is not 4 over 12. 4 divided by 13.4164. So we can raise this. So this will be 1, 6 and 4. Now angle PAC will be equal to tan inverse of 4 over 13.4164, and this is the number which we kept at the calculator. So we'll find inverse tan of 4 over answer, and this one will be equal to 16.60. 16.60 will be our answer. I will go through this step again because I think so I forgot to move the page above. So this is AC is equal to This Pythagoras theorem we have applied on this triangle, this white triangle ABC, which is this square plus this square under root, and we calculated this hypotenuse as 13.4164. Then we have taken tan of this shaded triangle. Tan will be 4 opposite over adjacent. 4 divided by 13.164, and tan inverse of this one will be 16.60. Now question number 24. P and Q, two matrices are given, and we have to find 3P. 3P will be just multiplying P with 3, and so this will be 3 into 3, 2, 1, 3. This will be equal to 9, 3, 6 and 9. This will be our answer. Then PQ. PQ will be, P is this one, 2, 3. So PQ will be equal to P into Q, 1, 2, minus 1 and 4. So this row and this column will be 3 and minus 1. So it will be 3 minus 1. Then this will be 6 plus 1. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. Then second row, first column, this will be 2 and minus 3. 2 minus 3. And first row's second row, second column will be 4 and plus 12. So this will be 3 minus 2 will 1, 3 minus 1 will be 2, 2 minus 3 will be minus 1, and 6 plus 4 will be 10, and 4 plus 12 will be 16. Then Q minus 1, basically Q inverse we have to find. So for Q inverse we know the formula, which is adjoint of Q. Q inverse is equal to adjoint of Q over Q mod. So this will be the formula which we will be applying. Adjoint means changing location. Our Q is this one. So changing location of these two will be 4 and 1. So 4 and 1 over here. And changing sign of this one, minus 1 will change to plus 1 and 2 will change to minus 2. This will be adjoint of Q over Q mod. Q mod will be this multiplied by this. 1 into 4 will be 4, and minus 2 will be changing to plus 2. So this will be 4 plus 2, which is equal to 1 over 6 of 4 minus 2 and 1 and 1. So we'll write here answer 4 minus 2, 1 and 1. Factorize completely. This equation is given P. We can take common from here, and inside will be x plus y, and minus 1 common, so x plus y, and this will be x plus y and P minus 1. This will be answer, and we'll write here P minus 1. So from here B part we can take 2 common, and inside will be t square minus this will be 49m squared. So 2 we have taken common. Then we'll be applying formula, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula will be applying over here, and this will be 2 into t square will be t plus this will be 7 square, 7m squared, so 7m, and t minus 7m. This will be our answer. 2 okay, so you can see this t plus 7m and t minus 7m. This will be our final answer. 25 is done. Then question number 26 is vectors question. In the diagram, OABC is a parallelogram. OP is equal to CA intersect at x, at x, and CP ratio PB is 2:1. So this is 2:1, and OA is equal to AOC is equal to C. Find OP. So this OP we have to find. This is A, so this can also be A. So this will be 2/3 of A, and this will be 1/3 of A. This is how we are taking the ratios. Then we have to find OP, so we can take this root. So this will be C plus this one. So we can write OP is equal to OC plus CP, and OC is C and CP is 2 by 3A. So we can write C plus 2 over 3A. This will be our answer. Then comes to second part, B part, CX ratio XA. CX ratio XA is 2 ratio 3. So this will be 2 and this will be 3. Now find OX. OX we have to find. So basically if we take this direction, so we can find CA by taking this root. So CA will be equal to, we can write here CA is equal to CO plus OA, which is equal to minus C plus A. Minus C plus A or A minus C. We can write A minus C, right? So I'm writing A minus C. So this will be A minus C, and this will be 2 by 5 of A minus C, and this will be 3 by 5 of A minus C. Now we can take this root for OX, we can take this root and this one. So it will be C and this one. So we will write OX is equal to OC plus CX, and I will move page a little above. So OC is equal to C, OC is equal to C, and CX is what? CX is 2 over 5 into A minus C, which we have written over here on the drawing. So this will be our answer. Basically we can open this, and if we open C plus 2 by 5 A minus 2 by 5 C, and this C we can simplify. This will be 1 minus 2 over 5. This will be equal to 3 by 5. So this will be simplifying up to 3 by 5. So I will write 2 by 5A and plus 3 by 5 C. So this will be our answer. Now this second part is a little tricky. So they are saying OX is equal to OX ratio XP. I will move it. Okay, so OX ratio XP. We have to find this ratio. So we will take OX, which we found over here, which is 2 by 5 A plus 3 by 5 C. I'll put in brackets. This is the value of OX which we found. Ratio XP. Now XP, we can take XP as from here. We can take this root and this root. So this will be minus 2 by 5 A minus C plus this. So I will write here minus 2 by 5 of A minus C, this part, plus 2 by 3 of A. So plus this 2 by 3. So this plus this, which I have written over here. Hopefully you are following each and everything. Now we can just open this side ratio, and this side we can open. This will be minus 2 over 5 A will be multiplying, and plus 2 by 5 of C plus 2 by 3 of A. Now this and this is A. We can simplify this. Minus 2 over 5 and plus 2 over 3. This will be equal to 4 over 15. So I will write here 4 over 15 A and plus 2 over 5c. This is what I have done with the right hand side. Left hand side I will keep as it is, and this will be 2 by 5a plus 3 by 5c. Now what we can do, we can take 3 common from here, 3, and inside will be what? This will be we can write as 2 over 15, because if we multiply this, 3 will be cancelled with this, and again we will get 2 by 5. So we have written 2 over 15a, and plus 3 is gone out, so 1 by 5c. So this is what we got from this side. And from this side, what we can do, we can take something common, which is 2 we can take common, and inside will be 2 over 15a plus this will be, this 2 is also gone out, so it will be 1 by 5c, and this will be 3 into 2 over 15a plus 1 over 5c. If you check, this one is same, so we can cancel this. It will be 3 ratio 2, and we can write here 3 ratio 2. Hopefully you understand each and everything, and don't forget to recommend this channel to your friends as well, and introduce this one to your teachers also. Thank you very much for watching Maths TV. Take care. Bye.